Welcome to What's Math. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. This video will focus on finding slope using points. The slope, which is also known as the rate of change, is always represented by the letter m. Every point is written x comma y, where the x value is first and the y value comes second. The first step is to label x1 and y1 and x2, y2. If you look carefully, these are not exponent, they are subscript. They just tells you position. So this means the first x, first y. Second x, second y. Step 2. Use the slope formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In other words, it's the change in y over the change in x. Example. Find the slope of a line passing through 2, 1 and 7, 3. The first step is to label the x1, y1 and x2, y2. When I read the problem, 2 was the first x value that I saw and 1 was the first y value that I saw. So therefore, that's x1 and y1, and this will be x2 and y2. Now the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 3 and y1 is 1. So therefore the top should be 3 minus 1. x2 is 7 and while x1 is 2. So therefore it should be 7 minus 2. Then you need to simplify. 3 minus 1 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5, and that's your slope. Example, find the slope of a line passing through 5, negative 4 and 9, 3. Step 1, label x1, y1 and x2, y2. Second step, use the slope formula. So based on the formula, we should have 3 minus negative 4 in the top. The first negative belongs to the formula, while the second negative sign belongs to the integer itself. In the bottom, we should have 9 minus 5. A negative sign followed by a negative sign will combine to give you a plus sign. So in the top, we should have 3 plus 4, which is 7, over 9 minus 5, which is 4. Now, please check for understanding by completing these following 3 questions. Solutions. Number 1. Find the slope of a line passing through negative 7, negative 2, and 9, 5. First, we label the x1 and y1, then we label the x2, y2. Then we use the formula. So it should be 5 minus negative 2 over 9 minus negative 7. These negative signs combine to give you a plus. The 2 negative signs in the bottom also combine to give you a plus. So now we have 5 plus 2, which is 7, and 9 plus 7, which is 16. Number 2, find the slope of a line passing through 3, 8 and 5, 8. We label x1 and y1. We label x2, y2. We use the formula. So we should have 8 minus 8 in the top and 5 minus 3 in the bottom. 8 minus 8 is 0 and 5 minus 3 is 2. Now I know you're tempted to say the answer is 0, but let's check to make sure. Okay. Based on this rule, if we multiply the denominator by the answer, it should equal to the numerator, whatever in the top. So let's check. 2 times 4 is equal to 8, so that's good. Let's check this one. 2 times 0 is equal to 0, so that's also good. So therefore, the slope is 0. And don't forget that this is actually an horizontal line. Keep that in mind. All horizontal line has a slope of 0. Number 3, find the slope of a line passing through negative 4, 7 and negative 4, 13. Step 1, we want to label the x1 and y1, the x2 and y2. Second step, use the slope formula. Based on the formula, it should be 13 minus 7 over negative 4 minus negative 4. Both negative signs will combine to give you a plus sign. So now we should have 6 over 0. I know some of you might be tempted to say the answer is 0 right off the bat, but please let's check first to ensure that the answer is 0 or not. So 6 divided by 0, let's check if it's equal to 0. Remember, if we multiply the denominator by the answer, we should get the numerator. 0 times 0 is 0. We do not get the 6. It's impossible for us to get the top back. So therefore, this answer is not possible. It's undefined. And whenever the slope is undefined, don't forget that is a vertical line. Don't forget to like and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like what you saw, please feel free to buy me a coffee. It's not mandatory, but it would be nice. Thank you.